Hey there, welcome to Tasty Napoli. Today we're making a risotto with zucchini flowers. First up, we are going to prep our shallots. So we are going to take one shallot and give it a nice fine dice. Next up, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to our pan and get that going on medium heat. And while that's heating up, we are going to grate our zucchini. So just cut off either end. And then with a box grater, we're gonna use the large holes and we're just gonna grate the zucchini down. Now we're going to add our shallot right into the pot. Once those get nice and soft, we're going to add our arborio rice. This is about 2 cups of rice right in. And we're going to toast it up for about 1 to 2 minutes. Just enough for the rice to get translucent. As you toast your rice, make sure that you keep moving it around so none of it really sticks to the bottom. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of a dry white wine. I'm using a Greek white called Asertikos today. And once that is completely absorbed, we're going to add our zucchini. So for this dish, you can use either chicken stock, the way that I'm using now, or you could also use vegetable stock. Either way is going to make a delicious risotto. So we're just gonna add about a cup at a time until it gets completely absorbed. Now, whenever you're making risotto, make sure that you're always starting with the right rice. Today, I'm using arborio rice, but you can also use another short grain rice like Carnaroli, which is another famous risotto rice. And the reason is the starch content in these types of rice really add to that creaminess and complexity to the final dish. You can see that our rice is really starting to plump up. It's almost doubled in size, which means that we're almost done cooking. We're just about done here, so it's time to prep our zucchini flowers. Where it's really simple, we're just gonna give them a nice julienne and then mix them right into the risotto, and the heat from the rice is going to really make sure that they're nice and cooked. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that you're removing the stem here. And then there's a little guy inside that I also like to remove. And then we're just going to give it a nice little... Once your risotto's done, you want to make sure it has this texture here, where it's really smooth flowing like a wave, or in Italian, all'onda. Okay, at this point, we are going to add in our zucchini flowers. We're also going to add in half a cup of freshly grated Parmigiano. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Now we're just gonna whip all that up really quickly, just to make sure that all of those ingredients really mix together. We're whipping out the last bit of starch and making sure that all of that cheese gets incorporated. I think just a tiny bit of black pepper. Now to serve this, we're just going to spoon into like a nice wide, shallow bowl. So let's say 2. I just love the way that this dish looks with those kind of bright bursts of orange from the zucchini flowers, and it just smells so good. I honestly can't wait to give this a taste. That's just so good. It really is. The zucchini comes forward, the zucchini blossoms are just really soft and delicate, and it's just one of those really light dishes that reminds me of summer. Wash this down with a nice white wine. That is the perfect pairing for today. I'm gonna finish this. I cannot wait to see you next time. Alla prossima.